baby.
Battle Royale Snowstorm, I'm so glad to see you here. And I just want to thank you for making me late to work all those times back in Cleveland. I'll never forget you. You make me want to keep rock salt in my trunk. And Avocado, I don't have any jokes for you because, to be honest, I thought you were going to get voted off.
Oh, my God.
Everybody did. The guy making me sign the paperwork was like, don't worry about Avocado. Hey, thanks for having me on your show, man.
No problem.
I really appreciate it. You want to start the Battle Royale?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Let's do it. Drew Carey, ladies and gentlemen. Every performance tonight has been dedicated to a panelist, and this song is especially for my man Robin Thicke.
Hey.
So, let the battle commence.
You walked into the party like you were walking onto a yacht. You had strategically dipped below one eye. Your scarf was apricot. You had one eye in the mirror and you watched yourself go by. And other girls dreamed that they'd be your partner. They'd be your partner and you're so vain. You probably think this song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think this song is about you. Don't you? Don't you? Don't you?
Got you. He got you, Robin.
Got me good.
Oh, my God. The videos.
You walked into the party like you were walking onto a yacht. Your hat strategically dipped below one eye. Your scarf, it was apricot. You had one eye in the mirror as you watched yourself go by. And all the girls dreamed that they'd be your partner. They'd be your partner, and you're so vain. I bet you think this song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think the song is about you. Don't you? Don't you? Don't you?
The Battle Royale. Snowstorm versus the Avocado.
Woo!
Panel, talk about those performances. What a battle.
I mean, there's a huge stakes right now because we have a new reigning champion. And I feel like you guys did give it your all. So it's up to us to make that decision. No pressure.
It's a tough call.
I mean, one was like just a very, humorous take on the song. One was like another effortless version of that song. It's just two ways to approach Robin's intense vanity. Yeah.
Well, there you have it, panel. It is all on you right now. Your votes will dictate the fate of the Snowstorm and the Avocado.